Nike's Air Max 90 Campfire Orange fuses classic heritage with seasonal flair, perfectly suited for fall 2025. Drawing on Tinker Hatfield's original 1990 blueprint, the design retains visible Air Max cushioning for lasting comfort while embracing a warm autumn-inspired palette. Soft beige mesh serves as the base, layered with rich tan and rust-hued suede for cozy texture. Burnt orange leather wraps the mudguard, while rugged elements like shaggy suede and ballistic mesh elevate the shoe's outdoorsy feel. Black lace panels, heel details, and a rubber outsole add contrast and function, balanced by a crisp white swoosh and midsole wedge. This mix of utility and style reflects the spirit of cool weather exploration. Designed for transitional wardrobes, the Campfire Orange edition proves how classic sneakers can evolve with the season without losing identity. Retailing at $135, the pair is expected to launch via Nike.com and select retailers just as the leaves begin to fall.